This is more just me being transparent in how I put together my outfits to have a little bit of edge. And I'm not gonna lie, this outfit is going to shock the sugar out of ya.
I'll take the world on with you by my side. We'll get up.
So similar to how I put together a capsule wardrobe, I like to start off with an anchor piece. A piece that is stylistic or has a little bit of edge, just somehow is inspiring the look for me for that day. I would say 8 times out of 10, this is the approach I take. Other days, it might just be a simple, you know, grab a t-shirt and jeans and throw it on and hope for the best. So for this specific outfit today, these New Balance 574s. I've had these for over a decade. I just love them because they're classic, and I love them for a bit of pop, a little pop of color, you know? I did just change the laces from white to navy blue because I didn't have any navy blue shoes to tie in with any of my navy blue pieces. Because you know I love a tie-in, so.
I told you, Daddy, I'm gonna marry you.
And I think just to add a little bit of edge to the sneaker, we're just gonna add some gray socks for like a monochrome gray on gray moment. I strategically think about what pair of pants is gonna add a little bit of a edge to these shoes. And so for this outfit, I chose my Chimela Selvage Denim because in itself, just selvage denim just carries a steeze, you know, style with ease.
And it don't matter where to. Go tell your mama I'm gonna marry you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So the next piece I'm adding is this t-shirt from And Other Stories. The specific reason why I chose this t-shirt is because of the sweater I know I'm going to layer over top. And I love the length because I have a very specific idea of how I want the layers to come out. That is the only reason why I'm wearing this t-shirt, because it's white and I like the length. I ultimately know the length of most of my clothes. So usually in my head, I can already pick out like what's gonna go with what for layering. Like I said, OCD, I'm cool with it though, because it helps. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Buy a new dress, call up the preacher, under the altar, that's where I'll meet you. We'll make the
The next piece I'm going to layer over top is exactly one of the reasons why I chose to change my laces to navy blue, because I didn't have anything to tie one of my favorite sweaters in. I like the length of it and where it hits on these specific jeans.
I'm gonna marry you. 1, 2.
Then to just bring in some more texture and just a bolder moment, I'm bringing in a denim jacket. Yep, going denim on denim. So then we're just kind of having this monochrome moment of blues, which blues is really one of the only colors I really bring into my wardrobe. And I think that's ultimately because I love denim so much. So I feel comfortable with blue. I feel like blue is ultimately like a neutral in itself. Like navy to me is a neutral, and then like denim blue, light blue still seems like a neutral to me. I don't know if I'm making that up or if that is a thing. But I'm gonna own it as a thing, that blue is technically a neutral, and that's why it works for me.
I told you, Daddy, I'm gonna marry you. I was made to love you with all of my heart.
You know, this girl loves her tie-ins, and the navy sweater with the navy laces wasn't quite enough for me. We're bringing in a little more fisherman with a fisherman's beanie. Ties in the cobalt blue in the sneaker with the beanie. Just a happy coincidence.
We're gonna run till death do us part. Ooh.
the shocker of this final look is there's no black. No. And that's how I put together today's outfit.
Let's tell the world